Pasusukat lang ang galing ng mga Pinoy boxers pag idayo na ito sa ibang bansa kung saan sasagupain nila ang pinakamalakas na hometown boxer. Pero marami ng mga Pinoy boxers ang naging biktima sa hometown desisyon. Isa na nga dito mga tol itong tubong magsaysay sa Lanao del Norte na si Glenn Enterina na may 15 wins at 9 knockouts sa kanyang kartada na nagtraining na sa Cagayan de Oro City. Matapos nakamit ni Enterina ang 14 na panalo kontra sa kapwa Pinoy at talagang marami din ang humahanga sa kanyang talento upang mas lalong masubok ang kanyang galing, dinayo na ito sa labas ng bansa. Isang napakalaking laban ang dumating kay Enterina mga tol kung saan lalaban ito para sa IBF na titulo. Lumipad ang kampo ni Enterina sa Australia upang sagupain itong pinakamaangas na undefeated boxer, ang future world champion ng mga Australiano. Ito ay ang undefeated champion na si Jacob Nang na may 9 wins walang talo at 7 knockouts sa kanyang kartada na binansagang Flamingo dahil sa tangkad nito at lakas ng mga suntok. Dito sa laban mga tol ay lumalabas na sobrang dihado ang ating pambato kung saan may turing nila ito na ipalapa daw sa kanilang champion, kung saan nag-aabang ang mga fans nito kung paano pasusukuin ang ating Pinoy. Talagang nagpasayaw-sayaw lang itong si Jacob ng mga tol nang tinawag na ang kanyang pangalan, na suportado naman ito ng kanyang mga tagahanga. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinabagsak ni Enterina sa harap ng fans itong undefeated na Australian boxer. Ang Pinoy na si Enterina mga tol ay may 14 wins 4 losses na may 9 knockouts, habang si Jacob Nang naman ay may 9 wins walang talo at 7 knockouts, kung saan paglabanan nila ang IBF Youth Lightweight title na ginanap sa AFL Club sa Australia. Sa pagbukas ng laban mga tol, umatake na kaagad itong si Kabayan at pinunterian nito ang bodega ni Jacob Nang.
About the ring injury that he told me was from memory of a great friend of his, Jordan Coe, who used to fight in Thailand, and he used to do a ring injury to make him weight. So this ring injury, the whole crowd can go, look for him.
109 against a very tough.
Oh, they're dangerous and they're tough and always look to finish fights. Couple of power punches, as we can see, going into anything right here now. Knockout, one draw. As you mentioned, Jacob 9-0 with 7 KOs. He mixes them up. This is going to be by any means an easy fight for Jacob MG. This man, you know, the Filipino fighters, they're strong, they're dangerous, and they're tough, and they always look to finish fights. They come with power punches, as we can see Glenn Enterina doing right here now. Swinging them in, he's got 14 wins, 9 of them are by knockout. He's got 4 losses, 2 are by knockout, and 1 draw. As you mentioned, Jacob 9-0 with 7 KOs. He mixes them up. This is going to be a good, tough fight. There's no way by any means an easy fight for Jacob MG. As this man is coming to fight, he's coming to Australia to take this title. Jacob MG, he knows. Once he gets his punches off at his range, once he finds his range, he'll get a case, man. Especially early in the fight. You take your head off. It looked like he had to hurt him back from the up against the ring.
Yeah, good punches there from entry. Not an injury coming from the Philippines. It was a lot of activity that was there in Australia, especially coming from the lightweight division. So that's a big thing.
It's a big thing. Just one.
Mula sa solidong suntok ng Australiano, bagsak si Enterina, ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban. Sa round 2 mga tol, nakafocus ang ating Pinoy sa laban na gustong bumawi mula sa pagbagsak.
And you look at him, he's got a slim frame, but he does deliver power.
Mula naman sa malakas na kanan ng ating Pinoy, bagsak si Jacob Nang dito sa ikalawang round mga tol, ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
But he does deliver power. He's got a single pair. He's got a survive, he's got a run, he's got a run. Survive, he's got a run, he's got to hold him. Because here comes Enterina, and he's flying, he's landing big shots. Jacob MG is in trouble here. He's looking to hold his ground. He's looking to stand up. Enterina, will he punch himself out? He needs to time up exactly what he's doing here. Right, coming in. He's got an action-packed fight, Nathan.
Dahil naramdaman na ang lakas ng Pinoy, umpisa na ang panggugulang ng Australian boxer kung saan sumuntok ito kahit nakatalikod si Kabayan. Nagawang tukuran ni Jacob Nang ang ating Pinoy at binanatan ng suntok sa harap ng referee.
From this Filipino fight. He's hit Andrina. Andrina's coming back. Jacob's got to be careful. He chooses to fight. He chooses to hold his ground.
Nagpatuloy pa rin ang panggugulang nitong Australian boxer mga tol kung saan tinulak nito si Interina at sinundan ng suntok.
Back to the fight. Wants him to keep it clean. And this is what the people came for. This is the main event. They're fighting for Jacob and G. He's a sharp puncher and he knows how to land. Bang, bang, bang. He's got to be careful of that. I still don't know if he's recovered well. He's still got to be careful. Hands up. It's good to see. What you got, Nathan?
He's just going to be very
Tinukuran na naman ulit si Interina mga tol at dito ay sinuntok siya habang nakaluhod.
Both fighters are feeling the pinch. Both fighters are not feeling. Andrina can't get up. I don't know if he doesn't get up, it's because he doesn't want to get up. Jacob could be forcing him to look for a way out.
Okay.
Sa round 3 mga tol, uminit na ang palitan ng mga malalakas na kombinasyon ng dalawang boxers na gustong ma-impress ang mga hurado.
With the jab and make his fighter start chasing him. He can't stay toe to toe with that give us the fighter that he finds him because he's so strong. He's a heavy puncher.
he's just going to have something you can work on.
Dito tinukuran na naman ng mas matangkad na si Jacob Nang ang ating pambato, ngunit si Interina pa ang nawarningan ng referee.
Jacob's going to look for those body shots.
You stop shoving them down. Just box, fellas.
Rushing him like he just did before. He got away with it that time, but he might not get away with it next time.
He's a fighter. He's fought in Thailand. He's grown up fighting, and he loves it. He loves to make sure he loves it. Four combinations, two to the body, one over the top. Here comes Andrina with his own right uppercut. Both fighters looking dangerous, Nathan.
Doesn't he put on a performance every time?
Does Jacob and G. Both of these guys bringing up just Nathan.
Doesn't he put on a performance every time for the crowd? Jacob NG.
Stop! Stop! Time! Come here. No, stop grabbing his leg. Do
Andrina
not. Stop
knows
tackling.
he's got a
All
fight
right?
on his hands tonight, as does Jacob and G. He's got to those punches and be careful. He's staying in the middle. How tough the Filipino fighters. To survive and get things back in their way.
Oh, and a good right uppercut catches the attention there of Interina.
Here comes the Flamingo. Andrina's trying to stand staunch. He's trying to say he's not hurt, but he's got to be feeling it as he chooses to punch back. Here comes the Flamingo. He's got him on the run, David. He's bold. Left and right.
Mula sa sulong ni Jacob Nang tumama ang mga malalakas na kaliwa ng Pinoy kung saan naalog talaga ang Australian champion. Ngunit ni wrestling nito si Kabayan at talagang meron pang takedown. Dito na binigyan ng referee ng 1 point deduction si Jacob Nang, pero nakapagpahinga na ang kanilang naalog na boxer. Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa round 4 mga tol kung saan ramdam na ni Kabayan na lulutuin ang kanilang laban.
Chooses moments to land those shots. Not do what he's doing. He just go in and look to land big shots. That's Andrina's game. But sometimes he's got so much fight in him, that's all he wants to do is just land and fight and stand toe to toe. That's Jacob NG. And he's got to be careful.
And that was a good combination. Left rip, left uppercut, both connecting for NG.
Taking a lot of shots, but he's still there. He's still dangerous. Punches again. But he's bringing it up. His attack is better than his defense. NG's defense is holding up so far. It's doing good.
Box in the front door. He has hit him with everything, the Flamingo.
Here, oh, there's a slip. There's a lot of water in that red.
Box in the front door. He has hit him with everything, the Flamingo.
Mula sa atake ni Jacob Nang, bagsak ito nang tinamaan ng counter ng Pinoy ngunit hindi ito binilangan ng referee. Sa ikalimang round mga tol, naging agresibo na si Kabayan habang nagsisigawan naman ang mga fans sa suporta sa kanilang pambato.
Willingness to punch, a willingness to throw. Andrina's showing. NG as well.
Stop! No, not it. You got to keep your head up. No, no.
He's got the variation of punches. Hasn't he?
It seems as though NG's he's sort of, you can see he's got his own through.
Punching, flat-footed opponent. Omega starts to throw like the others. Double blows for NG.
And what about the condition of Jacob NG? It looks like he's just starting the first round.
He looks like some Thai boxing, kickboxing, boxing. He looks like someone who's dedicated his life to boxing. With his dad as a trainer. Just round 5, they're starting to warm up. And here comes Andrina again. They're slippery in that red corner. They wiped it between rounds, but there's still water on the canvas.
Break. Coming in, coming in.
I don't think it needs to, or I don't think it should be. Like what I'm saying, the jab, punch, stay in the mile away. Don't get caught on the ropes. Turning the head and leads with a right hand uppercut. I'm always a bit worried, especially with a bomber. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Well, when you're leading with the right hand,
Huge jabs in, nice and fair. Back to orthodox. His punches. And Timothy is still fresh. He's got it. He's still dangerous. The body will work. The body is still fresh.
Mula sa pinakawalang suntok ni Jacob nang inawat na ng referee ang laban, kahit sumusuntok pa ang Pinoy boxer. Natalo si Enterina mga tol sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout sa ika-6 na round. Ngunit kinabahan talaga ang taga-suporta ni Jacob nang na pinaburan pa ng referee. Sa inyo namang score sa laban mga tol, pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.